Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's fun and easy Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this easy and super cool interactive and educational quiz game for kids. We are going to make Guess the Animal by its Shadow, using Canva and a bit of Canva AI magic. First, head over to Canva homepage. Click Canva AI and select Code for Me. We'll type a prompt that tells Canva what kind of game we want. In the prompt, describe the layout, the interaction, and the correct answer. Today, let's use a simple prompt. Create an interactive quiz game of farm animals with the Guess the Shadow activity. Add additional information of your game, like who the game is for, what should happen when kids click something, make it very clear. Hit Enter arrow to generate code and let Canva AI do the work. Canva instantly creates an interactive game with buttons, feedback, and animations. Once the code is ready, Canva will show a preview. If you are happy with the generated game, click Use in a design and select your preferred file. You can use website, presentation, document, or whiteboard, but I'll use website for this tutorial. Click Preview to test your game. Check if the buttons work and feedback appears correctly. If something needs adjusting, you can simply ask AI to fix or improve it. Publish the website so you can share it to everyone you want to use your game. And just like that, you've created a kids' interactive learning game using Canva AI Code. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please support us by hitting like button. See you in my next video.